If you're inside an office, a school, a hospital, or pretty much any retail space, then chances are you're sitting under a panel light. But why? What is it about these glowing square tablets that have caused them to take over America? My name's Daniel. I'm a lighting expert, and I'm here to tell you how panel lights work and what you should look for when buying your own. So why are panel lights so popular? I'd start with the blend of function and style. Panel lights are designed to give off bright, even light across big spaces, and they sit flush against your ceiling. Basically, they work great and they look nice. But they also often come with features to avoid flickering, which is important for any workspace that doesn't require a strobe effect. Discos and bars notwithstanding. Panel lights are also LED based, which basically means they're incredibly energy efficient. These lights sip electricity compared to older lighting tech. Finally, they're just plain easy to install. Most panels fit right into the ceiling grid. Seriously, look at how light this is. You just pop it up there and you're done. A panel light usually has a few main parts: the LED chips, a light guide plate, a diffuser, a driver, and a back panel. LEDs produce the light, and that light then goes into the light guide plate, which directs and spreads it evenly. The diffuser sits on the front, scattering the light so it looks smooth and uniform. That way, you avoid hot spots and harsh shadows. That back panel, it's crucial. It reflects any stray light forward, maximizing brightness and making sure you're getting all the light you paid for. And since these lights are LEDs, they're designed to run cool, which is why they can last so long without burning out. Panel lights typically come in rectangular and square sizes, like 2x4 and 2x2. But there are other options to fit your specific needs, which you can find at Sunco.com. Sunco's lights allow you to select your color temperature: warmer tones for cozier vibes, or neutral to cool tones for offices and schools. Alright, you're ready to buy. Here are 4 things to look for. 1. Brightness and wattage. Start with the lumens. Look for panel lights that give off the right level of brightness for your space. You'll want higher lumens for offices or workspaces, and moderate levels for home environments. 2. Dimming and wattage selectability. Look for dimmable panel lights if you want to control your brightness throughout the day. Some models also allow you to adjust wattage to control energy consumption. And don't worry, this won't sacrifice light quality. 3. Lifespan and warranty. Since LED panels should last a long time, check the manufacturer's lifespan and warranty. Ideally, a good panel light will have a lifespan of 50,000 hours or more, with a warranty to back it up. 4. Energy efficiency and certifications. Look for certifications like DLC if energy savings are important to you. These labels confirm the product meets strict energy efficiency standards. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our US-based customer support. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you next time.